Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I have a question for you. Can I build a free marketing system for your business? Placing your logo here in this banner, your name here, and your business name here, and at the same time, you can earn money giving away free marketing systems. So let's review what you receive in your free marketing system. Now, if you have a Facebook account or if you don't have a Facebook account, not a problem. I will build a free marketing system for your business using Facebook as the anchor, then shared out in several of my social networking sites to attract prospects to your business offers. Now, this free marketing system becomes a powerful lead generating system for any of your business offers where when your prospects request a free marketing system for themselves and for their business offers, you have just generated a lead for your business offers. Now, you're going to receive a free marketing platform like the one for your free marketing system, the one I'm building for you, that has all the tools you're going to ever need to build your own business under the same roof, such as a sales funnel, email marketing system, website builder, affiliate program management, marketing automation, evergreen webinars, blogging. You can create your own online courses like we're going to do for you. Sell your own products. It has a drop shipper inside. Now, it comes with a live training rooms to ask questions about how to make your marketing platform work for you and more, all free to get started. Now, like I said at the introduction, you're going to be able to earn money giving away free marketing systems, and there's no investment required. Now, your free marketing system comes with one Facebook page and a group with your business logo, name, business name, and a marketing video. Now, we're going to take a look at one of our VIP members' Facebook page. This happens to be their business offer. I made a logo for them. And his name is Mike K. It says, message me for free marketing system for your offers. Here's the marketing video right here. And of course, this is an invitation to message Mike to request his offer of a free marketing system. And this is Mike's business offer. And take a look at the keywords down here that I have in here. If you do a Facebook search for any of these keywords, chances are you're going to find Mike's offer right here, his business offer right here, and yours is going to be the same. I'm going to keyword your business offer just like I have for Mike and place your referral link for your business offer right here. So let's take a look at Mike's Facebook group. This is where we generate leads. This is where Mike gets leads, attracting those people in Facebook to post their offers on his Facebook group. Here's his marketing video again. And here's the invitation to message Mike. I'm going to set yours up the same way. Here's Mike's offer again, his business offer. Now, at the beginning, I'm going to be managing your Facebook group for you. And then later on, we can talk about you getting in there as a moderator and manage your own Facebook group. Now, Mike is a VIP member, meaning he can have unlimited marketing systems. Unlimited. I'll build out unlimited marketing systems for you when you become a VIP member. Now, as a free member, you get one marketing system, and you can purchase more for a very affordable fee after your first free one. Those who join your free marketing system and want more than just one marketing system, you will earn commissions 2 levels deep on each one they purchase. Each marketing system you have built acts as a lead magnet. So, the more marketing systems you have built, the more potential leads you're going to generate for your business offers. Now, like I said, I will manage your Facebook group for you by posting a welcome message and an invitation for your visitors to request their own free marketing system on your behalf, allowing them to receive a free marketing system for their business like you have. Now, you're going to be able to join several free to join and earn downline builders programmed into your marketing system with up to 4, count them 4, of your best business offers and the potential to earn passive commissions 5 levels deep. You're going to receive free access to a marketing and training platform where you can ask questions on how your marketing system works, free advertising for your marketing systems, participate in contests, receive money by staying active in the training room, be notified in real time of new members who join your business offers, be notified in real time when you earn money, learn powerful marketing techniques from the leaders, meet and work with your downline in a private message area, and more. Of course, you're going to receive a free lead capture page specially coded to you for your marketing system, a free done-for-you blog to help promote your marketing system. To get you started, I and your sponsor will generate traffic to your free marketing system. You're going to receive free access to our timely training webinars. As a bonus, I will be building all of your new members' free marketing systems for you that come in through your marketing system. Now, if you qualify, a YouTube video specially coded to you. Okay, that's what you receive. So if you happen to be in Facebook, message your sponsor to request your free marketing system, or find the referral link of your sponsor, click on it, and register to receive your free marketing system. And I'll be waiting for you inside, ready to help build your business.